Using Kucoin in Singapore is a relatively straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, it is essential to understand what Kucoin is. Kucoin is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and trade various digital assets. To get started, users need to create an account on the Kucoin platform. To create an account, go to the Kucoin website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and create a strong password. You will then receive a verification email to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, you can log in and start using the platform. Before you can start trading, you need to complete the Know Your Customer verification process. This is a standard procedure that is required by most cryptocurrency exchanges. To complete the verification process, you will need to provide some personal information and upload a valid government-issued ID. After completing the verification process, you can deposit funds into your account. Kucoin supports various payment methods, including bank transfers and credit cards. To deposit funds, go to the Assets tab and click on Deposit. Select the currency you want to deposit and follow the instructions. Once you have deposited funds into your account, you can start trading. Kucoin offers a wide range of trading options, including spot trading, margin trading, and futures trading. To place a trade, go to the Trading tab and select the currency pair you want to trade. Enter the amount you want to buy or sell and click on the Buy or Sell button. It is essential to note that cryptocurrency trading involves risks, and users should always use caution when trading. It is also important to keep your account secure by enabling two-factor authentication and using a strong password. In addition to trading, Kucoin also offers other services, such as staking and lending. Staking allows users to earn rewards by holding certain cryptocurrencies in their accounts. Lending allows users to earn interest by lending their cryptocurrencies to other users. To withdraw funds from your account, go to the Assets tab and click on Withdraw. Select the currency you want to withdraw and follow the instructions. It is essential to note that withdrawal fees may apply, and users should always check the fees before making a withdrawal. In conclusion, using Kucoin in Singapore is a relatively straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this guide, users can create an account, complete the verification process, deposit funds, start trading, and withdraw funds. It is essential to always use caution when trading and to keep your account secure.